Are you struggling to improve your website's search engine rankings in 2025? You're not alone. With Google's ever-evolving algorithms and fierce online competition, mastering on-page SEO has become more crucial than ever. Welcome to your comprehensive guide to on-page SEO optimization. We're about to explore 15 expert-backed techniques that will transform your website's visibility and drive organic traffic. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or just starting your optimization journey, this guide is packed with actionable strategies that deliver results. From advanced keyword optimization to technical SEO elements, we'll dive deep into proven methods that align with Google's latest ranking factors. Get ready to discover how proper meta tags, content structure, and user experience optimization can skyrocket your rankings. Ready to unlock the full potential of your website? Let's explore these powerful on-page SEO techniques that will give you a competitive edge in 2025. Master the core components including keyword optimization, title tags, meta descriptions, and content structure to build a strong SEO foundation. Focus on technical aspects like page speed, mobile optimization, and schema markup implementation to meet Google's current ranking requirements. Prioritize user experience through well-structured content, intuitive navigation, and fast-loading pages across all devices. Implement proper internal linking strategies and URL structure to help search engines better understand your website's hierarchy. Optimize multimedia elements with appropriate alt text, compression, and context-relevant placement to enhance both user experience and SEO value. On-page SEO refers to the practice of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher in search engine results and attract more relevant traffic. It involves optimizing both the content and HTML source code of a page, making it more accessible and understandable for search engines and users alike. On-page optimization encompasses various elements that work together to improve your website's visibility. These elements include content quality, HTML tags, images, and internal linking structure. Think of it as fine-tuning your website's engine to perform at its peak efficiency. So, when you really nail your on-page optimization, you can expect improved search engine rankings, higher quality traffic, better user experience, increased conversion rates, enhanced website credibility, and even lower bounce rates. On-page SEO consists of several fundamental elements that work together to improve your website's visibility and rankings. These components form the foundation of any successful search engine optimization strategy, helping search engines understand and properly index your content. On-page SEO continues to evolve, and staying ahead requires implementing cutting-edge techniques that align with search engine algorithms and user expectations. Let's explore the most effective strategies that will help your website climb the search rankings in 2025. Effective keyword research forms the backbone of successful on-page SEO. To get started, you should identify your target audience's search intent and brainstorm relevant topics. Then, use specialized tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to discover high-potential keywords with manageable competition. Focus on long-tail keywords that have specific search intent. It's important to analyze search volume and competition metrics as well. Oh, and don't forget to consider seasonal trends and industry relevance. Keep your titles between 50 and 60 characters to prevent truncation in search results. Make sure to include your primary keyword naturally near the beginning. Also, make it engaging and descriptive while accurately reflecting your page content. Alright, so when you're writing meta descriptions, aim to keep them between 155 and 160 characters. Make sure you include your target keyword and, add a clear call to action. The key is to focus on providing real value and sparking interest. This will help boost your click-through rates. It's important to, really focus on creating content that addresses your audience's needs and pain points. Every single piece should deliver unique insights, practical solutions, or some valuable information that makes it stand out from the competition. Try to break your content into short, digestible paragraphs, and, use bullet points and numbered lists to make it easier to read. Be sure to include relevant subheadings to keep everything organized. Above all, maintain a logical flow of ideas throughout your content. So, when you're working on your website, it's important to keep URLs short and descriptive. You should use hyphens to separate words and, try to include relevant keywords naturally. Avoid special characters and numbers as they can make things messy. It's also a good idea to maintain a logical hierarchy and remove unnecessary parameters whenever you can. Alright, let's talk about internal linking. You want to link to relevant, high-value content throughout your site. Make sure to use descriptive anchor text so users and search engines know what to expect. Create a natural link flow and try to balance the number of links on each page. Remember to regularly audit and update your links, and above all, prioritize user experience. When it comes to optimizing your images, it's best to compress your images without compromising quality, and you can use tools like TinyPeng or ImageOptim for that. Use descriptive file names that include relevant keywords and, if possible, keep file sizes under 100 kilobytes. Also, choose the right format: JPEG for photographs, PNG for graphics with transparency, and WebP for modern browsers. Always include descriptive alt text for your images that, accurately describes what they show while naturally incorporating relevant keywords. This really helps search engines understand your visual content and at the same time, improves accessibility for visually impaired users. Make sure your website automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. This means, honestly, text should be readable without zooming, buttons must be easily tappable, and navigation should be, thumb-friendly. You should implement a fluid grid system that maintains proper spacing and alignment across all devices. Incorporate mobile-specific features like click-to-call buttons and location-based services. Also, remove elements that might, hinder mobile performance. Things like large images or complex animations that could really slow down loading times. So, reducing bounce rates significantly is one of the biggest benefits of improving your page speed. It also, improves user engagement and satisfaction, which is super important these days. Enhancing mobile user experience is another huge plus. When your site loads faster, it actually increases conversion rates. And of course, it positively impacts search rankings, making your site more visible. Alright, here are some quick fixes to help boost your page speed. First, make sure to compress and optimize all images. Then, enable browser caching to speed up repeat visits. It's also a good idea to minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Reducing server response time can make a big difference too. Don't forget to eliminate render blocking resources, and finally use a content delivery network or CDN for even faster load times. Organization Schema, for example, displays your company's basic information. Article Schema is great for highlighting news articles, blog posts, or other written content. Product Schema shows pricing, availability, and reviews for products, which is super useful for e-commerce. FAQs Schema presents frequently asked questions directly in search results, making it easier for users to find answers. And Local Business Schema features business hours, location, and contact details, helping people connect with your business more easily. Okay, so start with the most relevant schema type for your content, and make sure to use Google's structured data testing tool to validate your markup before implementation. Also, it's really important to keep your schema up to date and accurate to maintain trust with search engines. A well-organized website with clear navigation paths helps users find what they're looking for quickly. You should implement breadcrumbs, logical menu structures, and easily accessible search functionality to, enhance the overall user experience factor. Break up your content into scannable chunks with short paragraphs, bullet points, white space, clear subheadings, and legible fonts. So, XML sitemaps serve as roadmaps for search engines, helping them discover and understand your website's structure. They list all important URLs, making sure no valuable content gets overlooked during crawling. And don't forget to submit your sitemap through Google Search Console to, expedite the indexing process. This critical file actually guides search engine bots on which parts of your website to crawl and which to ignore. Proper configuration prevents crawling of duplicate content, admin pages, and other non-essential sections, which really helps optimize your crawl budget. Google Analytics. Yeah, it remains the gold standard for website tracking and analysis. This powerful platform offers comprehensive data about your visitors, including their demographics, behavior patterns, and engagement metrics. Google Search Console complements this by providing specific SEO-related insights, such as search queries, click-through rates, and indexing status. So, make sure to track these crucial metrics to really gauge your SEO success. Organic traffic growth, bounce rate and time on page, page load speed, mobile usability scores, keyword rankings, conversion rates, and of course, core web vitals. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are honestly reshaping how search engines understand and rank content. These technologies enable a more nuanced interpretation of user intent and content relevance. Smart content optimization tools will for sure become essential for staying competitive in the SEO realm. With the rising popularity of voice-activated devices, optimizing for conversational queries is becoming, increasingly important. This shift requires adapting content to natural language patterns and focusing on long-tail keywords that match how people actually speak. As we've explored, mastering on-page SEO is crucial for achieving higher rankings in 2025. By implementing these 15 expert techniques, you'll be well equipped to optimize your website for both search engines and users. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires constant adaptation to evolving algorithms and user behaviors. Start by focusing on the fundamentals: high-quality content, optimized meta tags, and a seamless user experience. Then gradually incorporate more advanced strategies like schema markup and AI-powered analytics. Regularly monitor your progress using tools like Google Analytics and make data-driven adjustments to your strategy. The future of SEO is bright, with exciting developments in AI and machine learning on the horizon. By staying informed and proactive, you'll be able to maintain a competitive edge in the ever-changing digital landscape. Now, it's time to put these techniques into action and watch your website climb the search engine rankings. How long does it take to see results from on-page SEO implementation? Results from on-page SEO typically take 3 to 6 months to become visible. However, this timeline can vary based on factors like website authority, competition, and the consistency of optimization efforts. Some improvements in rankings might be noticeable within a few weeks, especially for low-competition keywords. What's the difference between on-page SEO and technical SEO? On-page SEO focuses on optimizing individual web page elements like content, meta tags, and images. Technical SEO deals with website-wide elements like site architecture, XML sitemaps, Robots.txt, and server configuration. Both are crucial components of a comprehensive SEO strategy. How often should I update my on-page SEO elements? Regular review of on-page SEO elements is recommended every 3 to 4 months. However, content should be updated whenever there are significant industry changes, new data becomes available, or search intent shifts. Monitor performance metrics to determine when updates are needed. Can excessive on-page optimization hurt my rankings? Yes, over-optimization can negatively impact rankings. Practices like keyword stuffing, excessive internal linking, or manipulative header tag usage can trigger Google penalties. Focus on creating natural, user-focused content while maintaining a balanced approach to optimization. How does AI content affect on-page SEO performance? AI-generated content can impact SEO performance if not properly optimized and reviewed. While AI can help create content efficiently, it's crucial to ensure the content remains original, valuable, and naturally incorporates target keywords. Human editing and fact-checking are essential. What role do core web vitals play in on-page SEO? Core web vitals are crucial page experience signals that affect rankings. They measure loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability of pages. Good core web vitals scores can improve user experience and potentially boost rankings in search results.